Shift or BigQuery, that logical data model applies to all those warehouses. And then you take it to the furthest level, to the conceptual level, which is essentially you're describing all the entities that matter for you as a business, how they relate to each other, and maybe if you want, and maybe add a little bit of detail to it if you need. But the idea is you want to build like an entity diagram first, that is kind of like a reference architecture, and then work now on filling data into that model itself. So one way they can kind of do this is what we like to call domain models, which is essentially where you're mapping. So what you do is you get a whole bunch of like business stakeholders in a room, you tell them to explain to you in human language how that business operates, and then you just draft like the diagram on a whiteboard or piece of paper or just kind of draw, which is pretty cool. And then, so for example here, this is like a business stakeholder that's telling you how a business e-commerce